Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I'm sure if you've seen my videos, you know that I still think this is likely going up for a wave Y, which I think is part of the ABC of wave Y pattern that we're looking at right now. We are at a pretty significant support area, so maybe we will get a bigger pullback, but for now, I am definitely still very, very bullish. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where I'm calling this a wave A. I think this is a wave B, and I think this is all a wave C from that point on. A wave C should be a 5-wave trend most of the time, so that's why I'm calling this a wave 1, a wave 2, and very likely going to keep on going up for a wave 3 to form that pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are at that support area, but price already made a pretty significant pullback. So it's already kind of grabbed liquidity, pulled back. So, there really isn't a whole lot stopping it from heading up to the next Fibonacci extension level and maybe even beyond. The trend is definitely up, and I'm still looking at this as possibly all a 1, 2, 3 subdivision. So 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is my structure level that I was watching for a possible change of direction, change of character, and it never did break that, and it actually went down and tested it and just kept on going up. If you were really hyper focused on trading with the trend, you probably would have caught that long right there, and you'd probably be sitting on some very, very nice profit. And like I said, I don't really think there's a whole lot stopping us from making it up to the 61.8 and maybe even beyond. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have some dollar news coming out this afternoon, and we do have a Powell speech today, even though it's not really a traditional Powell speech, it's a pre-recorded speech. But anytime Powell is on the news calendar, it definitely can affect things. So I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here, because if this move up really does decide to be a crutch into this move down, then it would likely turn at a Fibonacci level. So if you watch your Fib levels closely, and if you do get an impulsive move down and a break of structure, then maybe that would tell us that it is going to go down and take out this low. But I would have to see a nice break and hold below structure to believe it, because every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. I honestly would not be surprised, and I kind of expect that it will most likely just keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, which is why for now I definitely will continue to look for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.